Hi, I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, and I want to thank you for coming to this survey where you'll answer a few questions about your CNC router and your experience with it and the company that you bought it from. The whole point of this survey is to accumulate some data for people who are looking for CNC routers. If you remember back in the beginning when you and I were looking, it was pretty overwhelming, really weren't sure where to go, and every time you asked somebody, everybody gave you a different answer. You're always at the starting gate. Well, the whole point of this survey is to help that person who was in our shoes go in the right direction, make the best decision right up front with as much knowledge as possible. So that's what you're contributing to. We are paying it forward, and I couldn't do this without you. So big thank you for doing this. At the end of the survey is two fields, one for your name and one for your email. Fill those out, and then in a day or two, I will send you those free files that I promised you. So that's it. Go through the survey and know that you're contributing to a good cause. Paying it forward, if you will. All right, this is Garrett, and I can't wait to see what you have to say. And thank you so much.